Today explain ChatGPT versus Google BARD. What is ChatGPT? OpenAI's ChatGPT is an AI chatbot launched at the end of November 2022 that uses large language models, LLMs, and natural language processing, NLP, to talk with users. It uses deep learning and transformer models based on the GPT architecture to process user input and generate real-time responses. ChatGPT works by drawing from its extensive training in internet data, which provides a large knowledge base for the AI to draw on and offer relevant output to the user. In addition to text responses, ChatGPT can also handle other tasks. You can ask it to help with text translation, programming problems, and reasoning tasks. OpenAI's future plans for ChatGPT include a continuous focus on enhancing and adapting the model to meet the dynamic needs of customers, with updates aimed at improving its performance, expanding platform compatibility, and potentially introducing new features such as Android support to enable a broader user base. Google launched BARD in February 2023. It originally used the Lambda language model, but Google has recently updated it to use PaLM 2. BARD shares similarities with ChatGPT in using NLP and transformers to chat with users. But it also has web search capabilities that allow it to look for up-to-date information for more currently accurate responses. What is Google BARD? Since Google's new language model has training from more sources than Lambda, it offers more features that weren't initially available. It can perform translation, coding, and creative writing tasks. Is Google Search the same as Google BARD? Google Search and Google BARD are both Google products but serve two separate functions. The Google search engine offers fast results for user search queries. It searches its website index to find the most relevant websites based on the user's search intent. Google BARD is an AI chatbot designed to be a conversational AI. It can use Google Search when necessary to find information relevant to the conversation, but its ultimate goal is to talk with the user conversationally and offer a good user experience. Google also has plans to expand BARD's capabilities with new features. There are planned integrations with Google Docs, Gmail, Maps, and other Google services. There are also collaboration efforts with Adobe Firefly to allow BARD users to generate AI images and ChatGPT versus Google BARD. Example response: You should now understand more about the differences between ChatGPT and Google BARD, but it's helpful to see what the output looks like on both applications. Let's do a head-to-head example to see what kind of response to expect. Let's ask ChatGPT and Google BARD about the start of the United States. ChatGPT response. In this example, ChatGPT has plenty of reference material. It has read information on history, so it can understand the user's question and find the correct answer. You can also rate the answer as positive or negative, giving ChatGPT future training data to help the chatbot make better responses. You can request additional versions of the response. Google BARD response. Google BARD can also draw on historical topics to answer questions. As you can see, it also does well and generates several drafts. You can also quickly regenerate the drafts if you aren't satisfied with the response. Comparing ChatGPT with Google BARD responses, it becomes evident that each AI model has its strengths and limitations. To determine which response is a better fit for your specific needs, you may want to try out both models on your own inquiries and evaluate which one provides more accurate and satisfactory results. Several tests will help you to make an informed decision based on your personal requirements and preferences. Key comparisons between ChatGPT and Google BARD. Although ChatGPT and Google BARD aim to provide a similar service, the two products have a few key differences. ChatGPT language model GPT-3 and GPT-4i language models. Google BARD. Language model PaLM 2 language model. Model training ChatGPT transformers and neural networks. Model training Google BARD machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and transformers. Cost ChatGPT free version with GPT-3.5 and $20 per month subscription for GPT-4 with plug-in functionality. Cost Google BARD free. Training data ChatGPT publicly available data. Training data Google BARD publicly available data, licensed data, human-trained data. Strengths ChatGPT understanding human input using NLP techniques. Strengths Google BARD focus on generating creative and relevant content with internet access by default. Who the best OpenAI ChatGPT or Google BARD? Please comment me.